The question came from a consumer and said, Dan, how is it that you guys are selling so many homes so fast for top dollar? Well, I'll tell you the secret sauce coming up next. So what is the secret sauce that I'm talking about? How is it that we here at the Hawaii team sell so many homes so quickly and for top dollar? Well, it's two things in specific. It's our system that we've had in place for a long, long time. It's a system that we've tested, refined, retested, and execute at a very high level. The second thing is the people. And I wrote about this recently in our blog at thehawaiiteam.com. So check it out, go to our blog and look for the article that says secret sauce, because I really want to introduce you to the people that do such a fabulous job behind the scenes. People just see me on the YouTube channel, and the people really behind the scenes make me look great. Like Manny Victor, he's our contractor. He gets all of our places in tip-top shape and corrects everything and makes everything look beautiful, along with Julie, our stager. And she comes in and she just makes the place pop with her decorations and her furniture. It looks great. Then there's Josie, our cleaner. Man, you know how important a cleaner is. From the windows and the screens to the drawers, she makes the place look spick and span. Trisha is our director of marketing, and she does all of our digital marketing, both email blasts and social media and everything that we do online. That's Trisha. And then you've got Ragu. Ragu actually heads up our data mining department, and he's the guy that helps us reach thousands of potential buyers out there. These are the people that make up the secret sauce. And when you combine that with the system, that's exactly how we sell so many homes so quickly. If you'd like to find out more about the secret sauce, our people, and our system, give me a call here at the Hawaii team. I'd love to hear from you. Call me on my cell phone, 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306, or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. Until we talk again, aloha.